Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Knowledge and Beauty. Today 5th September, it's Teachers Day in India as it's the birth date of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. So today to celebrate this, I am drawing a portrait art of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and with that I will share some experience about our teachers and also why we celebrate Teachers Day. So guys, stay tuned. Teaching is the most influential job in the world. Teachers are known to make the mind of youth. They share their knowledge with us, with youth, and without knowledge, no one can exist in this earth. Teacher imparts good value in children and turn them into responsible citizens. So almost every country's people celebrate the Teachers' Day. In my opinion, a teacher is the first ideal person to every kid. In reality, we went to school to complete our education system, but they teach us about discipline, about morality, punctuality, and every small things which we have today. I believe without their blessings, we can't reach our goal. They are always supporting us in our life. They teach us how to set a fixed goal, how to chase behind our dream, how to become a successful person, and also beside that, they teach us how to accept our failure and start again. Actually, they teach us about life lesson to live in that short span of time. Sometimes they share their experience with us so that we can be brave enough, so that we can handle that situation, so that we can tolerate this type of pressures. Sometimes they scold us for study or for doing a wrong thing, but if we are going through in a bad situation, at the end of the day, they will treat us like our best friend. They also teach us about how to behave well with everyone, even how to behave well with the strangers, how to respect everyone. So they must deserve respect. Happy Teachers' Day to all of our teachers. Without you, we would never have become what we are today. Praying for your happiness and long life. Now we can discuss why do we celebrate this day as Teachers' Day. So in India we celebrate this day on the birth date of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a man of many good qualities and a favorite teacher among students. It was his humble request that his birthday should be celebrated as an honorable day for all the teachers in the country, in case someone is wishing to celebrate his birthday at all. So in a nutshell, we celebrate Teachers' Day because teachers have been the architect of the society, and without them no society can walk in the path of progression. In his book titled Political Thinkers of Modern India, he signified the importance of teachers and education in a country like democratic India, which was still in its early years of development. According to him, there is a huge role of teachers in nation building, and for that sake, teachers should be respected more. Apart from being a thinker and teacher, he was also a philosopher. He once wrote a book on Bhagavad Gita. By the time he entered politics, most of the leaders of that time like Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi or Dr. Rajendra Prasad were his fans, for this thinking in nation building. His skills were proven in the arena of politics also. He had the political insight to recognize the impediments well in advance and also carried the required courage to scold party leaders for their procrastination and delinquency. Way back in 1947, he warned the former Congress people about the alarming consequences of nepotism and corruption. We are dealing with it now. Such a man, of course, requires a standing ovation. So, to promote the values and principles of true leaders, this day is celebrated. So guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, please do a like and also please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.